If you're running a project retrospective, you don't want to scroll through weeks of sprint notes trying to remember what actually happened. NotebookLM can turn all of that into a clean timeline in one click. Let me show you. Now I'll add my source. This is just a text file with our sprint notes and stand-up log for the project. You can upload PDFs, docs, or even paste text directly. NotebookLM only works from what you give it, so the more complete your notes, the better the timeline. Once the source finishes processing, head to the Studio panel on the right and click Reports. This is where we'll build the timeline. Now, timeline isn't a one-click tile anymore. Google folded it into Create Your Own. Click that and paste in a prompt asking for a detailed timeline of events. I'm adding one extra line asking it to focus on delays and blockers, so it's actually useful for a retro instead of just a plain list of dates. Click Generate, and in a few seconds you've got a full timeline. Kickoff, the API delay, the mobile breakpoint rework, the payment bug, all the way to launch. Every point is pulled straight from your notes, and you can click into it to see exactly which part of the source it came from. For a retrospective, this is huge. Instead of everyone trying to recall what happened when, you walk in with an actual sequence of events already laid out. Just drop this into your retro doc or share it straight from NotebookLM, and you're ready to talk about what to fix next time.